Bitbucket up the pros, the cons. The Bitbucket app is more than a Git repository host. Most people get this wrong. It's a development platform for teams to manage code, collaborate on projects, and deploy software efficiently. On the pros side, Bitbucket offers Git and Mercurial repositories, pull requests, branch permissions, and site integration through Bitbucket pipelines. It integrates with Jira and Trello, providing seamless project management and tracking. Real-time collaboration, code reviews, and issue tracking enhance team productivity. Security features include two-factor authentication, IP whitelisting, and granular access controls. On the con side, Bitbucket's free plan has limited users and build minutes, and its interface can feel less intuitive compared to GitHub. Advanced integrations and features are often locked behind paid plans, and some users report a learning curve for beginners. In conclusion, Bitbucket app is ideal for development teams seeking reliable version control, collaboration, and site integration. While it may have limitations for smaller teams or beginners, its security, integrations, and workflow tools make it a solid choice for professional software development.